In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9, subject maths, exercise 17.1, unit number 17, lecture number 21. In this video we will learn how we can construct different angles. Okay. Ji, exercise 17.1, this video will help you to construct the triangle. So first angle which is included in your syllabus, 45 degree. So first of all you have to draw a ray or a line segment. It's your own choice. You can take here ray, you can take here line segment. It's your own choice. So you have to name it as A, B. Now you can write here this. Okay. Now you can take here as a ray, because we cannot construct here triangle. We just construct here angle. So 45 degree. Just you have to remember this, 45 degree, 45 plus 45 equals to 90 degree. It means 45 is the half of 90 degree, and the double of 45 is 90 degree. The angle which becomes with the help of half or full angles, then you have to take here. So you have to open compass with suitable radius. You have to draw a semicircle here like this. So now same radius you have to apply here, that is 0 degree. Put compass at first. So draw first arc, that is the angle equals to 60 degree. Now put compass at 60 degree. Draw second arc. Second arc equals to 120 degree. Now 45 is the half of 90. So first of all you have to construct here the angle of 90 degree. So put compass at 60 degree. Draw first arc. Put compass at 120. Draw second arc. Now you have to join this in dotted line, because 90 degree angle is not our requirement. It will just help to draw the 45 degree angle. So now that is 0 degree, that is the angle of 90 degree. So you have to put compass at 0 degree and draw arc. Now put compass at 90 degree. Draw second arc, that is the angle of 45 degree. You can check with the help of protractor also. Now that is the angle of 45 degree. Clear? Okay. Now we will construct here the angle of 75 degree. So you have to draw a ray here. Now ray A and B. So 75, remember one thing. Okay, 75, you can add 15 to 75, it becomes 90 degree. Now you can subtract 15 from 75 degree, it becomes 60 degree. It means you can draw angle 75 degree with the help of 90 and 60 degree. उर्दू में बताती हूँ, वो एंगल जो किसी एंगल्स का हाफ होते हैं, वो उस एंगल का जिसका हाफ होते हैं उस पर रख के और 0 डिग्री पे रख के बनाए जाते हैं. लेकिन वो एंगल जिनमें 15 का गैप होता है, उसमें आप 15 प्लस और 15 माइनस करके जो आपके पास आएगा, जैसे 90 और 60 डिग्री मेरे पास आया, तो इसका मतलब है 75 डिग्री का एंगल मैं 90 और 60 पे रख के बनाऊंगी. ठीक हो गया? दोनों मेथड मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं. सो ओपन कंपास विद सूटेबल रेडियस. जब भी मैं सूटेबल रेडियस का कहती हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से, ठीक है, जितनी मर्ज़ी है आप कंपास ओपन कर लें, लेकिन जब जितनी ओपन कर ली है आपने उसको उतना ही रखना है जब तक कि आपका एक एंगल नहीं बन जाता. उसको आप कम या ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. अगर करेंगे तो वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक हो गया? नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रा अ सेमी सर्कल हेयर. पुट कंपास एट 0 डिग्री. ड्रॉ फर्स्ट आर्क. पुट कंपास एट फर्स्ट आर्क. ड्रॉ सेकेंड आर्क. नाउ you will construct here the angle of 90 degree. 90 डिग्री का एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना मैं ऊपर भी बता चुकी हूँ. You will join in dotted form because this angle is not our requirement. This will just help to draw the 75 degree angle. That is the angle of 60 degree. That is the angle of 90 degree. So put compass here. Draw arc. Now put compass at 90 degree. Draw second arc. This arc is small, so you have to extend. Now you have to join this. That is the angle of 75 degree. You can check with the help of protractor. 75 degree. Now you are going to construct here the angle of 105 degree. So you can add 15 to 105 degree, it becomes 120 degree. You can subtract 15 from 105, it becomes 90 degree. Okay, it means you can draw this angle with the help of 90 and 120. So I have constructed the angle of 90 degree. So that is the angle of 90 degree, that is the angle of 120 degree. So you have to put compass at 90 degree and draw arc. Now put compass at 120 degree angle, draw second arc. Now you have to join. That angle is equals to 105 degree. You can check from protractor. I hope so. You have to learn the angle, the construction of angles. So you have to do the practice of exercise 17.1, question number 1 and 2 full. So Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.